we're going to make something that is truly special, something that whispers indulgence and pure, unadulterated pleasure. We're going to create magic with chicken wrapped in the salty embrace of Parma ham. Now, this recipe is for moments when you want to impress, or more importantly, when you want to treat yourself. And let's be honest, who doesn't deserve a treat? Now, we're going to start with these beautiful chicken breasts. They're plump, they're juicy, and they are ready to be transformed. And we're going to give them a little love, some seasoning, and allow them to come up to room temperature. And now for the real heart of the matter. We need to make the creamy, savory filling for our chicken. So take half an onion, chop it finely. Now we're going to let this onion spend about 5 to 10 quality minutes in the pan until it's just started to turn sweet and caramelize. And it's that deep, mellow flavor that is going to transform this filling. So once the onion's singing, gently fold it into the cream cheese, full fat by the way. Then add finely chopped garlic to awaken the palate, and some fresh, vibrant, finely chopped chives with some seasoning. We'll just create a little opening in the chicken, a little space for this creamy magic to melt and mingle. I mean, it's all about balance, isn't it? The salty, the tender, the creaminess, and then fill each piece of chicken with this delicious filling. And now for the star of the show, Parma ham. Look at this, the way it drapes, the rich, deep colour. We're going to lay out a few pieces for each chicken breast and brush with some olive oil and dried oregano. And then carefully, lovingly wrap each chicken breast in the Parma ham. Think of it as a luxurious blanket, keeping all that glorious filling and flavour locked inside. And once these little parcels are ready, we'll nestle them into the oven on 180 degrees centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes, enough time to let that ham crisp up, to let the chicken cook through, and for that creamy centre to become a molten dream. And halfway through cooking, be sure to sprinkle some mozzarella on top of each parcel too. And once cooked, what a thing of beauty. It is pure joy on a plate. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's utterly delicious. And this tastes sublime paired with vibrant asparagus and buttery new potatoes, or simply whatever takes your fancy. The pleasure is all yours. So go on, make it, indulge and enjoy. And if you're yearning for more indulgent, delicious recipes, you might want to subscribe.